Statistics show you are going to experience at least 3 types of damage to your vehicle in the first 6 months of ownership. At ASC Insurance Services, we are committed to protecting you from road hazards and saving you money on unexpected vehicle damages. Say goodbye to paying for expensive repairs out of pocket, along with the hassle of filing a claim with your primary insurer and paying a deductible. Let's dig into the coverage that comes with road hazard insurance and how it'll save you money. Tire and wheel covers flat tire and wheel damage from road hazards. Tire replacement covers replacement tire if tire damage is unrepairable from road hazards. Wheel cosmetics covers wheel damage from scrapes on curbs, medians, and potholes. Key, remote, and cellular phone covers the replacement of your vehicle's key, remote, or your cell phone if it's used as a digital key if they are lost, stolen, or destroyed. Interior protection covers the repair and cleaning of accidental rips, tears, burns, and stains. Paintless dent covers paintless dent repair for small dings and dents. Paint and scratch covers scratches on your vehicle requiring paint repair. Windshield and glass covers the repair of windshield chips. If a replacement is needed, road hazard insurance will cover your primary insurance deductible up to $1,000 per claim. Headlight, taillight, and fog light covers the repair or replacement of broken headlight, taillights, and fog lights. It doesn't end with fixing damage on your vehicle. Road hazard insurance will pay to have your vehicle towed and get you a rental if the approved repairs take more than a day to complete. It also covers an Uber, Lyft, or taxi to and from your original selling dealer or repair facility so you're not inconvenienced by the repairs. Road hazard insurance provides coverage in Canada and the continental United States. The program can be financed as part of your vehicle loan. The ASC Road Hazard Insurance Program is underwritten by Tokyo Marine Canada Limited, a top Canadian underwriter noted for their excellent financial strength by AM Best. Inquire about road hazard insurance today. Get protected and see why thousands of Canadians are signing up every month.